Hello friends, welcome to my channel on WebHail. Today I'm going to show this reseller panel where you can able to sell the n more of digital products and earn the money. And this is the digital panel. You can see this is a reseller panel. So along with this, you are going to get a customer portal also. Okay. So here I'm going to logging in. Okay. So this is your reseller panel. So where you can update your logo here, and if you want to update your business name, so that's also possible. Okay. So this is going to be a white label. So you can able to get your store name, logo, all these things. Okay. Once you log in, you can see the dashboard like this, and you can also have the view that like this. Okay. So you can see this is your logo. So here also you will get that logo and your store name will be updated here. Okay. And if you want to set your business details, okay, so that also be possible by setting this business profile. Okay. You need to make sure that you're trying to set your own branding here. Okay. And you can also add the social media links like you are having the Facebook page, Insta page, and YouTube channel if you have. Okay, you can just uh, um, fill these details. Okay, fill these links, and you can just save the settings. Okay, and invoice if you want to create your own invoices, that's also be possible. In payments, if you are try to integrate your store with already integrated with Razorpay. Okay, so that's also be integrated in this Razorpay payments. So if you want to send a custom emails, so SMTP post details that are providing here. Okay. So in your legal policy disclaimer, if you want to add, so that is giving here like this. Okay. So if you want your own custom disclaimer, you can just paste it and you can just save this setting. Okay. And if you go to the products here, okay. So these are having product catalog where you can able to sell these products directly to the customer or the clients. If, for example, if you want to check this one, okay, Canva templates. So that again we are categorized or we make a category, different type of categories like this. So if you want to get some digital bundles and if you want to check, okay, so these are some PDFs where you can able to um, give it to your the customers directly, okay, by creating some access key. So now you can see here different categories we have created. Right now, we are going to add many more tools here in future. Right now, we are only added some 60 products. Okay, so if you go into the all products, you can see a number of products are added here. Okay, so right now, you can see these are all the PDF format where you can deliver directly to the customer. Okay, and you can see the orders list. Okay, and you can able to have the control to pay. Okay, pending paid things, and you can also generate the invoices whatever the orders you have created to the customer. So by default you are getting a customer panel. Okay, so by default you are trying to accessing the product from here, but this is a reseller panel. So whenever you are trying to purchase this panel, you will be a default first customer. Okay, so the customer portal will look like this. Okay, so your brand, your details will be, your logo will be seen here. So you can see this is a premier customer portal. So where you can able to log in and access the product. Okay, all total free. So this is the customer panel. So you see this is a license key. Okay, so how many orders have been created? So all these things will be seen from this portal only. Okay, you can see the products that are owned by you. So if you purchase any products, that can be seen here like this. So again, it is can categorized here. Canva template, software tools like digital products. Okay. So if you want to access, so you can also access by using this key. Okay. So for purpose of creating security, so we have created this key. Okay. So this is a prompt where you can try to use a different type of you can say advertising different type of topic. Okay. So like this, you are having a number of digital products. Okay. All will be in the drive only. So right now it is going to be in the drive link only. So you can see these are the agents. Okay. So if you want to add more product, so by default, you can able to get all the product. So this is a store where you can able to access the product directly. Shopify themes, okay, t-shirt designs. So these are all free for you. Okay. So in future we are going to add much more products here where you can able to set your own price and sell to the customers. Okay. And you can also give coupons if you try to set any price like 5,000 you are trying to set. Okay. And the original price is 3,000. So you can give a 2,000 offer or a coupon code. Like you can get able to business 3,000 on profit here. Okay. So by default, uh, this is a plan to, which we are giving this for the customers. For example, for 699, we are giving the customer panel access. So if you want to modify, okay, if you want to modify, you can able to create your own custom plan. So if you want to create 1,000 or 1,200 like that, okay. So the extra money or the extra amount, what will be you are trying to set, that will be your profit here. Okay. And moreover, you can also control this uh, feature, or we can say the product. So if you want to give only the 20 products or the 10 products, okay, for a minimum amount of 200 like this. Okay. So like this also possible here. Okay. And so this is the total products. So in future, I'm going to add much more products here. So you can able to sell your own price. Earning, whatever you are trying to get the earning. Okay. On the daily basis, you can able to see these things. So how many people are purchased. So this is nothing but analytics. Okay. So if you want to refer and earn, so it will be some commission that will be given for you. Okay. So every week or every week, twice or thrice, we are going to update this app. Okay. So where you can able to see the features, what are the new features right now, how many products got added. So all the app updates will be seen here. Okay. And if you want to visit the store from reseller panel, so that's possible from here, where you can able to see the store where all the products are here. Okay. So if I go to the customer panel once again, so this is our customer panel. As I said, every reseller will get a free customer panel. Okay, you can able to access any product and you can able to download. Okay, and every customer will try to get see the invoices. Okay, if you want to create your own invoice, that's also possible. In future, we are going to give that option. So right now, you can able to see these invoices. Okay, so your store name, okay, and your details, all this will be electronically created invoices only. Okay, so if the customer is having any issues like in creation of product or downloading of product, okay, issue in order, so they will create a support ticket or they will create a support and that will be seen on the reseller side also. So for example, there is an issue in profile. Okay, they will try to create a ticket. So as a reseller, you can able to investigate, or you can able to resolve it. Okay, so customer can able to reset the password, update their details. Okay, so your email ID and your WhatsApp number will be given here, so they can reach out to you directly. So particularly this is totally a reseller and customer portal panel that I am giving here with white label. Okay, so no need to create any website for you, no, from your side. Okay, so no need to create any branding from your side. You just update your logo, you just update your store name, and able you can able to access, and you can able to sell the products to the to your customers. Okay, so again, as I said, right, so if they are having some issues, you can able to reset their password. Okay, so if I go back to the reseller panel, so all the customers will be seen in this list. Okay, for example, if you click on this customer, you can see how many orders he has purchased. Okay, what's the activity, so whether he is logging in or not. Okay, if you want to create some, this is my premium customer, something internal notes you want. Okay, you can able to create your own plan, and you can assign that particular customer to your existing plan or the custom plan you have created. Okay, if they are having some login issues, you can able to create, you can able to reset the password from the reseller panel directly. Okay, so this is about the customers in the reseller panel, where you can able to learn selling the digital products in online. Okay, and yeah, as a reseller, you can able to get admin support. So you can, if you face any issues, or if you don't understand this, what this panel, how it is going to be work, and if you face any issues technically, so you can reach out to this admin support. Okay, so like this, uh, customer, if they are facing any downloading issues, they can reach out to you reseller directly. So so this is about reselling and the customer portal, where you can able to earn the money by selling these many digital products. Okay, so in future we are going to add many more products like Canva Pro, Lovable. So nowadays it is um, more interesting product tools are there in the market. So I'm going to add here. So right now, so these are the some products. So if you want the Canva Pro access personally, like creation of some group tools, like if you want to access the ChatGPT, you want to access the Netflix. Okay, so all those group tools will be provided. Right now, that can be provided with your email ID, and in future, I'm going to add the portal link directly into the reseller panel. Okay, where you can able to access directly. This is about the reseller panel and the customer portal. So by default, you are trying to get one customer portal, where you can able to access all the products. You can able to see, you can able to download, or you can able to sell. Okay, so this is a white label platform. Okay, so where you can able to update your store details, any business information that I'm going to be created for you. Okay, so that's it. So if you want, you can just bring me the details. So I will share those um, amount details. Okay, so particularly I'm going to give you a launch offer here. So this is the launch offer. Okay. So if anyone want this reseller panel and the customer portal, you just able to complete this purchase and let me know. Okay. So that's all about the reseller panel and the customer panel. So if you have any queries, so please let me know. So yeah, thanks for all. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. So much more in future we are going to add more products. So stay tuned for that. Thank you.